Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix high ping and latency issues, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is, instead of using a Wi-Fi connection, use an Ethernet cable instead, because this will definitely help with ping. And if you don't have access to an Ethernet cable, instead try to get your setup closer to the Wi-Fi router, because that does help as well. And another thing you guys can do is restart your Wi-Fi router, and you can do that by unplugging the power cord for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. Once that is done, you can check to see if that fixes the issue. You can also restart your PC as well. Another method you guys can do is go over to Steam, right click on it, hit run as administrator, and then open it up this way, and then click on Call of Duty under library, right click on it, hit properties, and then go over to installed file. Now from here, click on verify integrity of game files, and then once that is done verifying, open up Call of Duty and then check to see if that fixes the issue. Another method you guys can do is always switch your graphics to lower quality, so medium or low instead of high or ultra, because that does tend to help as well sometimes. And once you do all of these steps, you should be good to go and you are all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.